Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll show you how to fix voice message transcript not showing in WhatsApp. So if you're having trouble with WhatsApp voice message transcript, this issue is usually due to some kind of settings that you need to double check. So let's open WhatsApp, and you want to go to section with your settings at the bottom side of the screen, and now inside settings you want to tap on chats. Now let's go to voice message transcripts, and please make sure that voice message transcripts are enabled, so it should be not never but manually. This means that transcripts are turned on, and right after this you want to check transcript settings, specifically language. So let's tap and make sure that you have selected needed language. Now let's save it. The other issue, if you double checked if the feature is enabled but the problem still persists, then it may be because the language that is set in your WhatsApp transcript settings do not match with the language that is spoken in the voice message. So if you receive, let's say, voice messages in multiple languages, you'll need to manually switch the language in the settings to match the message, and eventually to get a transcript. Also, make sure that the language that you're trying to transcribe is supported by WhatsApp. Not all languages are supported, of course. Also, it could be, if you still have this issue, it could be because in the voice message there is heavy background noise, or for example music, and AI can simply fails to recognize the speech. Also, if you use iPhone, which is very important for iOS devices, you need to make sure that Siri option is enabled on your device's main settings, because WhatsApp requires to have Siri enabled for the transcription feature to work. So you need to go to settings. Let me quickly show you how you can do that, and you want to scroll to section Siri, and then you will have option to turn on Siri. So yeah, that should be turned on as well. But if none of those fixes that I've talked before not helping you, then you need to try updating your WhatsApp so that you have the latest version of WhatsApp application, and also check storage if you have free space on your device. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that those fixes helped you in order to show voice message transcripts in your WhatsApp. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.